Assalamualaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. If you first visit my YouTube channel, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Now I am explaining to scaffolding why use this structures used for supporting workmen or material or board. Very detailed regulations designed for 4x. The intended load may not exceed 1 x. The load may not work during storm or high winds. Must remove from use and inspect, repair it there is any reason to suspect damage. Must be kept clean and free of clutter. So this means, as you understand, and second this picture I am apply to the worker perform the job, but first and second and third mistake again were repeated. Also I want to explain when you perform the scaffolding work to wear full body harness after you go to scaffolding platform. What do you mean by scaffolding? Scaffolding is a temporary structure that is typically made from metal poles and wooden planks and used to support construction workers, inspectors, cleaners, and others who need to work at height. This article is about scaffolding as it relates to industrial work. What is scaffolding in teaching? Scaffolding is the process of breaking lessons into manageable units with the teacher providing the watching complete decreasing levels of support as students grasp new concepts and master new skills. What is scaffolding and its purpose? Scaffold in building construction temporary platform used to elevate and support workers and materials during the construction, repair, or cleaning of a structure or machine. It consists of one or more planks or convenient size and length with various methods of support depending on the form and use. I hope you all understand this scaffolding SOPs and scaffolding purpose and why apply this structure attached of the building. So please, if you understand, please give me a reply and comments and like my video and share for your friend. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take care every time.